Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue quadratic equations part 2 and in today's class we are going to discuss nature of roots of equation. Okay, consider a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and there will be two cases if a, b, c are real numbers and if a, b, c are rational. Okay, see what is delta? Discriminant, right? If discriminant is greater than 0 means if discriminant is positive. If discriminant is positive, the roots are real and distinct. Okay, this we have learnt in previous class, right? These three conditions in previous classes, 10th class and all, they will teach us, right? If discriminant is 0, the roots are real and equal. If discriminant is less than 0 means if discriminant is negative, roots are non-real conjugate complex numbers, means they are imaginary roots, and we will write imaginary roots like this. See, what is the roots formula? Minus b plus or minus root over discriminant by 2a, right? If discriminant is negative, consider discriminant as minus a. Okay, minus b plus or minus, this will create confusion, right? We'll consider as minus x. Okay, minus b plus or minus root over minus x by 2a, means we can write it as minus b plus or minus root over I square is equal to minus 1, right? So we can write it as I square x by 2a, means minus b plus or minus I root x by 2a, means minus b by 2a plus or minus I root x by 2a. It is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta. Okay, means if discriminant is negative, means if discriminant is less than 0, the roots will be non-real conjugate complex numbers. Is it clear? If you have any doubts, do post it. Or in previous class I told you about Gemini feature, right? You can use it as well. If you need examples in some topic and if you get doubts in some topics, you can post it to Gemini and it will clear your doubts. So now we'll go to next case. It is if A, B, C are rational. See, if A, B, C are rational and delta is positive and it is perfect square, then the roots are rational and distinct. See, if it is perfect square means, see, b is equal to 3. Okay, here discriminant is perfect square, which is 36. Okay, then a will be 2. Then here minus b means minus 3 plus or minus root 36 by 4, means minus b plus or minus 6 by 4. Here minus 3 plus 6 by 4 comma minus 3 minus 6 by 4. It is 3 by 4 comma minus 9 by 4. Here these two are rational and distinct. Roots are rational and distinct. Understood? Okay. Now there is another case. If discriminant is positive but not perfect square, then the roots are conjugate surds. What are conjugate surds? Come on, what are conjugate surds? Conjugate surds means anything which are in the form of conjugate surds means anything which are in the form of alpha plus or minus root beta. Okay. If they are not perfect squares, the roots are conjugate surds. We'll just see it. Same situation will keep, but here delta will keep it as 35. Okay. Then it will be minus 3 plus or minus root 35 by 4, which is equal to minus 3 plus root 35 by 4 comma minus 3 minus root 35 by 4, means it is minus 3 by 4 plus root 35 by 4 comma minus 3 by 4 minus root 35 by 4, means it is in the form of alpha plus or minus root beta. Okay, understood? Here, next. If delta is equal to 0, what is delta? Discriminant. Discriminant is equal to 0. The roots are equal. Here, for this also you'll get an example. These two are same, but here if they ABC are real, the roots will be real and equal. If ABC are rational, the roots will be rational and equal. Okay. Here B is equal to 3, delta is equal to 0, A is equal to 2. Means minus 3 plus or minus root 0 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus or minus 0. If we add or subtract 0 from any number, the number will be same, which means the roots will be equal. If ABC are rational, the roots will be rational. If ABC are real, the roots will be real. Understood? Here, if delta is less than 0, if delta is negative, the roots are non-real conjugate complex numbers. Means it should be in this form. And here I have proved that it will be like this. Okay. Understood this topic? You understood? Shall we move to next topic? Understood? Okay. Now I'll give few questions on this topic, and after that we'll move to next topic. Here, this is the question. Okay. Here they are saying A, B, C are real and the roots are real and equal. Means the delta, if they are real and the roots are real and equal, means delta is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll simplify it. A square x square plus b square x square minus 2ba minus 2bc x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, here a square x square minus 2bax plus b square plus b square x square plus c square minus 2bcx is equal to 0. We can write it in this way, right? Here it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is also in the same way, means ax minus b whole square plus bx minus c whole square is equal to 0, right? Here there will be two cases. Ax minus b is equal to 0, comma bx minus c is equal to 0. Then x can be b by a or c by b. Means x can be both, right? Means b by a is equal to c by b. Means b square is equal to ca. Means a, b, c are in GP. Understood? If you have any doubts, post it and we'll move to next question. See, here in this question they have given that roots of this equation are equal. Then conditions are, see, roots are equal means delta should be 0, right? If roots are equal, then delta should be 0. What is delta? B square minus 4ac. What is b over here? This is b. Means 2b square minus ca whole square minus 4 into what is a square minus bc is a. What is c square minus ab is c. It is a square minus bc c square minus ab. It should be equal to 0. We have to square this. It will be 4 into b square minus ca whole square minus 4 into a square c square minus a cube b minus bc cube plus acb square is equal to 0. Means 4 b power 4 plus c square a square minus 2b square ca minus 4a square c square minus plus 4a cube b plus 4bc cube minus 4acb square is equal to 0. Means 4b power 4 plus 4c square a square minus 8b square ca minus 4a square c square plus 4a cube b plus 4bc cube minus 4acb square. Okay. Here we can cut these two, right? Plus 4c square a square minus 4c square a square. Now here we can take 4b common, right? If we take this common, then we'll 4 b common, we'll get this equation, right? Here there will be two cases, 4b equal to 0 or b cube plus c cube plus a cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 0, sorry, b is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This will be the conditions. Now we'll move to next question. Here this is the question. They are saying that roots of this equation are equal. Means delta is equal to 0. Okay, what is the equation? X square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. If we simplify, we'll get x square minus 15 2mx minus 8m is equal to 0. Means x square minus 2mx minus 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. What is delta? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Means what is b square? Minus 2m whole square minus 4 1 into what is c? Minus 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. Here 4m square minus minus will cancel plus 4 into 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. If we take 4 common, m square plus 15 plus 8m is equal to 0. Means m square plus 8m plus 15 is equal to 0. If we factorize this, we'll get m minus 3 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Then m is equal to 3 or 5. This is the solution. Match your solution with this. While doing problems, if I give you one question, pause the video, try to solve it and match your answer with it. With this, your problem solving skill will improve. Okay, and your time management will also improve. Now I'll give you another question. This is the question. Here you have to find the nature of the roots. How will you find it? Here, to find the nature of the roots, you have to find the delta. What is delta? Discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is b? 1. 1 square is 1. Minus 4 into what is a? 1. What is c? Minus 1. Minus minus will cancel. 1 plus 4, which is 5. 5 means it is above, like it is greater than 0, right? Means delta is greater than 0. But this is not a perfect square. So roots are irrational and moreover conjugate. Okay. The nature of the roots is irrational and conjugate. Understood? Now I'll give you another question. Here is the next question. You have to find the nature of the roots. Now pause the video and just try to solve this question. Okay, now I'll tell you the solution. Here A is 2, B is 1, C is 6. delta we have to find the nature of the roots. What is delta? B square minus 4ac. What is b? 1. 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 2 into 6. It is 1 minus 4 twos are 8. 8 6 are 48. Means minus 47. Means delta is negative. Means the roots are imaginary. And conjugate complex numbers. Okay. Now we'll move to next topic. Here, nature of roots of two quadratic equations. We'll know all about this. There are two discriminants delta 1 and delta 2 of two quadratic equations. P of x is equal to 0 and q of x is equal to 0. And if we add delta 1 plus delta 2, then we'll have at least two real roots. Okay. And if we add them, and if it is positive means we'll have two real roots, and if it is negative means we'll have two imaginary roots. If it is positive or equal to 0, we'll have two real roots. If it is negative, we'll have two imaginary roots. This one will be easy to remember because if delta is positive means there will be two real roots, right? In the same way, you have to remember this. And here, if we multiply two deltas and then if it is negative, means we'll get two real roots and two imaginary roots. If we multiply deltas and the product is negative, means we'll have two real and two imaginary roots. Understood?